This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable French fry sleeves, specifically these great French fry pocket sleeves that are either made out of natural wood or bamboo. They're both 5 by 5¼ inch, meaning you have a great, nice size for a generous, ample portion of fries, sweet potato fries, or whatever finger food you want to stuff in there. They come in either poplar wood or bamboo, which is fantastic because both are sustainable options that are biodegradable and commercially compostable, meaning that they're a fantastic alternative to using paper or plastic sleeves for your fries. So these are great for any type of finger foods, whether they be actual French fries, sweet potato fries, tater tots, one of my personal favorites, mott sticks, things like fried pickles or other foods you might find at a fair. And they'll also work for things like cookies, warm pastries, like say a hand pie. And they're going to be great to use at things like events. If you're looking to do some past service of finger foods, these are a great, easy way to serve those up so that guests' hands stay clean, right? And they're also very easy to dispose of since they're both biodegradable and compostable. They have a nice rustic look to them, either with the wood grain or the natural pattern on that bamboo. So they're both soft, they have some variation, and they're gonna have that little extra kind of elegant touch just from that natural look versus a paper option. So these are a great choice both in terms of style and also being eco-friendly.